Real coconut, no coconut powder. We don't even like the smell nor the odor. No coconat powder. Shop, you can't get no cereal from me with coconut powder. Down at town. RFC for the world. 11 o'clock at night, 12 o'clock. Come on, RFC. Rollington Town. The rest of the world.
Wagwan everybody, in this video we're going to see a lot of food. We're going to see a lot of Jamaican food. We are going to see jerk chicken, fried chicken. The boss of fried chicken is here. The real RFC boss is here. He has his own restaurant and we're there in it right now. We are going to see some stew pork, some stew beef, some curry cow food, some fried chicken, some sweet and sour chicken. It is a vibe, and we're there in the boss in the kitchen. I prep up some things, and you guys may have seen the video with RFC boss frying the fries and the chicken just at the front. He's right here in Rollington Town, same place. His restaurant is upstairs, but on Fridays and Saturdays he go out and fry fries and chicken on the front for the people. And we're there in the restaurant right now. A bag of things are going on, a bag of pot go bubble, home style, real Jamaican cooking, and we're there to see it all. RFC boss kitchen, yeah boy. So we kept the earnet on. So you know, so we're heading to the kitchen right now. Oh, can't wait, we're going to the kitchen now. One of the things that go on to the people, yo, forward man.
Well, going right now, look over here, so. Alright, the pot them up on the fire ready for the meat. So we have to do curry cow foot now one, we have the stew beef now one, and the stew pork now one.
Wow.
See? Yeah, so basically before we start them thing, you know, this is some garlic where we just, you know. We don't have garlic in it already still, you know. And ginger and thing, but we still like drop a piece of garlic in a pot now, like
really?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, but
no,
we got people living in RFC, but I'm glad to see
RFC to the world, you don't know what style, you know what I mean? It's in the restaurant, you know, because you know what style already, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I clean it, God will say, you know, enough love, really? Respect, you to the world. Yeah man, love enough, fans, love enough. Whoa. Yeah man, so watch this now. So this is the curry cow foot, yeah? Curry cow foot, so we have a drop in the curry cow foot first thing, right as a right now. See, right as a we are drop it in. Right? Yeah. You also drop a little bit of water in it. Just you know, not too much. You can kind of cook the curry a little bit before we even start preparing it. Yeah, man. So drop that. And we drop a one cover on it just now. Drop a one cover on it just make it go and simmer in. So next thing now, this are the pork. This are the beef. No, this are the beef. This are the beef. This is the beef, yeah. You know what I mean, you know, brown stew beef.
Yo, this smells
good
already, bro.
Yeah man, alright, so me I tell you, yeah man. So right now we're going to drop the beef right here, so. See me? So see style now. Drop the beef right here, so. Yeah. Yeah. So the same procedure, we drop a little bit of water in it. We just go and hold a vibe and take a little bit before we start preparing. We're in the boiling business, you know what I mean? Steam we have steam. Yeah. You see? Alright. Yeah. Next thing we are going to know is the stew pork right now. See stew pork, yeah? Whoa. Yeah man, you see me well juicy and nice, so. See that we're dropping this one now. Same procedure, a little bit of water and same procedure. Yeah, same procedure. A little bit of water. Just let them go on, simmer down. Not too much, that too much beef. Just one spoon over here, son. Give him a little shake. Let him sit down properly. You know what I mean? You know what style go. Ready over here for pasta, so we have a pasta settings. So we got some bums now. Drop in some pasta and go and boil over here, so. You know what I mean? Yeah. Some pizza now. You see it? Custard, straight coconut. See me? No coconut powder. If you think I joke, don't move camera. Real coconut, no coconut powder. We don't even like the smell nor the odor. No coconut powder. Shop, you can't get no cereal from me with coconut powder. Down at town. Coronation Market, coconut.
Whoa. Right, now the pot of rice and peas. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, I got to do some rice now, see it then? Yeah. Yeah man, it's a rice you know, we are get the rice line up, you know? Yeah, so the rice, yeah. Get the rice wash and thing and, you know? Throw in the pot and everything, you know? But the pot well seasoned up already, I'm sorry, you never even get to see how we season up the pot and thing, but, you know what I mean? Yeah man, but you know, so the flavour up there, you know what I mean? I see a procedure, a little salt and a little, you know, some pimento and thing and garlic and ginger in the rice same way, and you don't know, little touch of sugar in it, a little sugar off in it, you know what I mean? The old school, you know, style, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So watch this now, you see the natural thing. What go on now, you see the real coconut. What you know, make the rice sweet, you know, make the rice have a sweet taste. So we just enhance a little sweetness in the rice more with a little touch of sugar. Because at that it too, you know what I mean? The rice enough of salt at no time. The rice enough of salt, you must have that nice little sweetish taste, but not too sweet. You know what I mean? Because we don't want to body on diabetes, you know? Too long rice and peas. So we now go overdo it, but we are going to get the little authentic taste we're supposed to have, little mama taste. Because you two we grow with granny, we know the real taste because we grow with the granny. That's what I say. So we know, so watch out. We know all rice and peas is the taste, you know? Yeah man. So see it right just now. So we are chewing the rice right now, see? Yeah man, see eh? Yeah, up in the pot. Yeah, see eh? Yeah man. Yeah. See?
Boss at work, man.
Yeah man. So watch this now. Them pepper something now, we are take them out because we don't want them bust in there. See? So first thing we are doing, no. So we are take them out. We don't want them bust and mess up the rice. Yeah, done flavor. Them done do them job already. You understand me? Them time busy, you know. Then we are take them out too, because them done do them job already. We don't want the humbug you when you serve the rice. You have to pick out time.
So like the rest of the thing when it cooks.
No, them do them job already. Oh. You see me? Because the pot, they are boiled, so they do them job already. So we take them out. Rich. Yeah, still cover him a little bit more. Nice. You see, so the stew beef. See, the stew beef. See, one look. So this is the stew pork over here, so now everybody have their own spoon and so.
Everybody have their own spoon.
Yeah man, you know what you think how we grounds up the thing, you know? Stew pork over here, so. Everybody have their own spoon, you know? And now grounds up the thing, you know? Beef chicken over here, so then jerk chicken.
So the jerk?
Jerk chicken. Whoa. So we drop a little drop a little.
So guy get a touch of the RFC was
Chili,
spice
yeah,
already.
chili pepper seed over it, you know what I mean?
Chili pepper seed.
Chili pepper seed, you know, just kind of get a little vibe, you know. Yeah, see, chili pepper seed, you know what I mean?
Whoa. This is the jerk, you say?
Yeah, this is the jerk, you know what I mean? And we have a bit of, you know, we drop a little bit of the walker's wood, you know. Walker's wood on it, so just to give it a nice vibe, same way, you know what I mean?
Real.
No, man, the walker's wood, they're on it already still, but yeah. You know what I mean? To give it a little vibe and thing.
Boss himself, man.
So, I light up the oven, you know. Pete, light up the oven. Come on, see the rice are boiled up, you know. Yeah, you know. So, look. Yeah, man. You smell it, you smell it. Yeah, man. So, the real coconut smelling and rice, man. So, we are putting in the oven right now, man. Right now, oven. Right now, the big man will come open right away.
A lot of heat going on in the kitchen, man. Beef vibes. We see pork, we see stew beef. Yo, the jerk chicken just got out of the oven and yo, In the smell so good, rice and peas, the aroma, that smell. Real home style Jamaican cooking right at RFC. Yo, the heat in there not normal. So you know we have to step outside some of the time and cool off, but we are in the back right now. Just pure food vibes, pure love, pure Jamaican style cooking, and yeah man, food.
Fresh onion, fresh thyme, fresh scallion and fresh thyme, well washed already and everything. Circulate the little water up on top, right through the rice. I don't want to stay one place. Stay one place. If it stay one place, it cook one part of the rice and next part it cook the one. So circulate it right through. Right through. Right through. Yes man, Pete is you know, tough like wow, you know. Yeah man.
Yeah, chef, man. I call it fried chicken, this is the man.
Yeah, dropping the chicken in and everything, you know.
Wow.
See? Woo! Wow. Big chef Pete at work, you know.
Yo, they must see about a week now, they must see brother.
You know.
Juice and tender rice. You know, transfer to another.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause this now a spice never spice stuff, you know. A spice stuff.
All of them.
Put me over. Pan it. Well tenderized and nice. You see? So I cook the one and come down the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah, whole RFC process.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Cook the one and come down the bottom, isn't it? I don't want them dry out, you know. See it? And the kernel want to do it. The kernel and doing it. Don't see that them fried chicken, eh? Yeah, I got to plate of that chicken. You know that young boy. RFC fried inside it. Crispy chicken, you know what I mean? Right, I never turn it ever see them chicken anymore and who fried it. I never eat fried it. Long time.
That's right. Real RFC chicken. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is a whole rotation process same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So these not finished, so just a rotate. Look at that. Nice.
Quality and quality, you know, consistent. That we keep it. Same on the road, I same with the restaurant doing. Not like chicken or change, yeah? RFC to the world. So now I talk about you saw them pretty up there. They must know. Not drying out no there, so. Get that? Yeah. Yeah, but turn it up now, because I put them to the soap, you know what I mean? It is right. Turn it up about 2 seconds. Get them soap nice and soft. See, I'm a big chef at work. Yeah, we train them neuter under our labor, you see me? Yeah man, Pete, bad chef, you know? Man, you're tough, but we train them, you see me? RFC to the world, fully up, YouTube, loving you know? No, loving you know?
Yeah,
see the real people them, we know the real authentic thing, loving them man, bless up man, give thanks and praise. Right, that's it there, you know? Right, that's it there. Got a Scooby. Ready to, you know? Got different spoon. Everything has to go in spoon. Jerk chicken will get ready, you know what I mean? Yeah. Smell the aroma? Right, that's it there. Right, that's it there. Onion. There we go. We got Irish and carrot. Irish and carrot. Stew, you know? Stew, so everything has to be nice. Stew. Okay? Our thing not mix, you know. Our 7 years we did it, you know. We not mix. You see me? Yeah, man. We eat at the latest round your stuff. Yeah, man. I'm here to show you, say, you see our restaurant. Any hours a night, me I tell you, right, you know, 11, 12 o'clock a night, you can come here to come get food. Because RFC, we cater for the people them. When I'm at the restaurant locked, we still open. See? Because we make sure that everybody belly full before them got them bed. Nobody not supposed to go to bed hungry as long as RFC exists. You understand me? I say, so 11 o'clock a night, 12 o'clock, come at RFC. Rollington Town, yeah man, fresh, nice rice and peas. Oh my, yeah man, see that? I think I'll simmer down. See? Yeah?
I'm ready up and over.
Ready. Whoa. Well, I'm pretty. Don't dry now.
Yeah, man.
That me. You have to love this, you know. Something you have to love, you know.
Yeah.
can't just get up and say, look at this. I love it. I'm gonna run from it. To the heat. Yeah, man, eat and man. I love this, man. This is how we love with a passion, you know? So I don't know what I'm saying.
So when we are simmer down now, like when it start boil up, we turn on the fire. Because we don't want the gravy dry out. So we turn it down so the gravy rich and nice. Yeah man, rich and nice, isn't it? Rich and nice, man. Rich and nice. So this is what? It's a pork. It's a pork, you know? Oh. And it's a the beef, you know? So the beef, the way about the pork there, you know? Right. Yeah, I mean. We take all this off of fire now, we're adding the sweet pepper them now. You see that? Sweet pepper adding, you know.
You want to get people like a crunch in it so when they want to eat.
Yeah, you know, sweet pepper.
So you know, pull it mash out.
Yeah, you see sweet pepper and the pot is green and nice. Yeah man, see that? Yeah man. See that? Sweet pepper, green and nice in the pot. Yeah? Oh?
Right, that's it. Some of the water just throw off of the chicken.
Yeah.
Right, I will. Whoa. Yo, this smells good, brother. Yeah. Cheese and peas, man.
Home style.
Right.
Right. Whoa. RFC there, you know.
Strictly I use breast. Breast I use that.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah man, so I use breast that one. This now, tickle come on, we pour it on. Butter, you know, butter. Fry it, you know.
Like popcorn chicken.
Yeah, when them fry,
whoa.
they look exactly like popcorn chicken when them fry. You can see them fry them pretty. Just like popcorn chicken when them fry. You know, you see it already, you finish the product and come out here and you see, and you know exactly what it look like. You see, you're smart, you know, you're very smart. See? You know exactly what it look like before it even come out. Yeah, so Pete, monitor this. So, jump.
Jamaican chicken here. Now what is RFC this brother. RFC.
It's like a food color. What the Chinese and do, most of the Chinese and use too much of the food color, and that's why you see the chicken, when you sweet and sour chicken, a lot of time when you buy it from them, they look ugly. You understand? Because they use too much of the food coloring in it, the red food coloring, so it look dark and look disgusting. You know, look attractive, but they will show you when we're done with this, I want to look attractive. You understand? So when we show the chicken night and show you, the chicken will look very attractive and pretty. Yeah, man. So it starts rich and nice, and it's red like blood like all the Chinese starts up. Yeah. So this now, wash now. See it? So we use. That's how I can start. Pour it everything like that now, or something like this. See it? So what you know? You know, this goes like Chinese thing, you know? You see the secret about the sweet and sour sauce, you know. You have to have the little tongue in it, so come right round, you have to feed it round here, so. Yes, sir, at the taste bud. Connect round a little jar can around here, so. Yeah, man, with sweet and sour. If it's not grow on, it's not ready yet. You know, connect it, you know. Yeah. Make you feel it. You know, taste of sweet and sour chicken sauce. Yeah, man, must shiba, you know. Yeah, man, you chill. Yeah, man, so you see it, but you sweet pepper them green right there. See red sweet pepper and green sweet pepper and carrot. Yeah, man, so our sweet and sour sauce. I've done it done right there, so sweet and sour sauce. Ready in the box. Ready. So, like a music rock steady. Okay. And the grain is fully cooked. And the chili are nice, you see? This box, all the grain is fully cooked. Chili are nice.
It's ready up and out. RFC rice.
Special cut, you see? Oxtail looking. So our get to oxtail is that. Yeah? Our get to oxtail. So we take all them something off like them something off come off. These are the things that make the turkey like raw. You know? So we take all of them, we get all of them thing off like, you know? Yeah, man, all of the thing. We don't take off everything, but we get off the excessive amount, you know? You know what I mean? Because I'm going to burn the turkey neck on the fire. Burn it with and garlic and ginger. Burn it and, you know, kind of brown it like when you do oxtail. You know, how I get to oxtail is, man, you know, so how I get to oxtail is, and it's not, this is stay in our kitchen. We cook this every day, every single day, religiously every day this cook. See me, and this is stay in the kitchen. We cook it curry, we cook it brown stew, you know what I mean? Yeah, that way that we cook it. Brown stew sometime, and curry sometime, and any way we cook it, it's gone road. You know, when we cook it, normally when we cook it curry, it have a lot of pepper in it, you know. But we're not too overly pepper it when time we cook it brown stew. But you know, curry have to have pepper, you know what I mean. But you see them skin we have to take off of them. Our knife them well sharp enough, because your knife have to sharp to get out, and you can't You can't work on them something when them soft, so you have to work on them when them firm. You know, so you can get everything them nice and sweet off it, you know. Yes. Time.
Go on and look, man. I'm like keeping in there.
Onion. Got some scallion. Carrot and Irish. Just a tiny knife. Curry coffee, huh? Curry coffee, don't look. What's it? Oh, yeah, man, really well. But man, I drop a little coconut water and I just be like kind of leave my body, you know. So some of the coconut water, just kind of leave my body, you know.
Check it. Very foot.
Nice and thick.
Yeah, mad already, man.
See that.
You know what thing is up? You can ferment that on the side, you know what the thing is. Right, I good? Right, I good, I want to it. It's good, I want to it. So the raw red peas I'm looking at.
Look at that, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Where run go? Where run go? Eh? What is it?
Yo, this is the whole vibe right there, so people. So the RFC boss himself, him not just run a fries and chicken nighttime thing. The man run a whole kitchen, and this is the whole vibe right there, so people. Stew beef, fried chicken, sweet and sour chicken. We say all of this done from scratch. is a whole vibe, the curry coffee. This we are the beginner right now. Gummy. Woo! Whoa! Take a taste of the rice, yeah. Whoa! Dude, it's so good. Yo, I think we just choke some of the bone. I literally think we just choke some of the bone of the coffee. We'll try again. Mellow. Look on this a jiggle people. Just look at this. Literally just a jiggle up right that's up. Shelly rice. This man runs a whole kitchen. Not just on the street side. A lot of you guys saw him on the street frying the chicken and the fries, but the man owns a restaurant right upstairs, just a minute walk from when they are frying the chicken at night. Sweet and sour chicken now. Ooh. Sweet. All that is from scratch. Wow. It's just a whole vibe. We got some raw veg and also some of the RFC boss pasta. Yo, what I like about this food, even with the vegetables, you can literally taste. You can get that crunchiness out of the vegetables. Them not soft out. Them not boil and soft out. The whole crunchiness, the sweet pepper, the carrot. I'm going at the stew beef right now. Wow. So good. These are the sweet pepper from the stew beef fish. Oh. Whoa. This is the original fried chicken, the RFC boss fried chicken. I got this not on the roadside but in a restaurant. So right tonight. Whoa. Vibe. The food vibe. The authentic vibe because this man uses a lot of seasoning. Little to no powdered seasoning. A lot of real drum seasoning and even coconut. You have the real coconut off of the tree. You know, taste this. You know, the food, a lot of restaurants these days tend to, because they're moving so fast and they know how to get food for the people and ready up, them tend to use more of the powdered seasoning. But this man, grandma cooking him call it. Wow. Right in Rollington Town. Go piece more of it, sweet and sour. Yo, that chicken breast just melt in your mouth. Whoa. Yo, nothing no short and nothing so far. Nothing no short and nothing. Whoa. All of these meat mix up in a one, just you got different vibe. And of course you can get a mixed food on your power. Yeah man, just ask the mixed food and you get it. It might cost a little extra, everybody know that, but curry coffee. just throw a piece of the boat again. Yeah, man, I just throw a piece of the boat. It's a whole vibe right there, so you know we're gonna deal with all of this. Everything almost done already. Of course, you taste all of that ginger, the spice. You know the curry, because you know Jamaicans use ginger and curry. You get that burn from the ginger, and you get that spicy sweetness from the pepper itself. And of course, we left the ghetto axle, we left that on fire going bubbling in there. It's just a whole vibe. RFC boss actually own up the restaurant, not just the street. The man owning restaurant, and it's right here in Rollington Town. And you guys have to pass through. Just pass through anytime after 12 food ready. By 11:30 to 12 food ready in the morning. This is just a vibe. Rollington Town. Yo, this food is so good. Everything actually I'm on up right now. Everything basically finished up. Right here, just talking to you guys. So you know it. The hard life food. The strictly food vibe. Street food restaurant. Wow. Jamaica is food. Yo, you can't out a restaurants in Jamaica. Everywhere you turn, a street corner, just food is here. Some found a cooking at one, some found a cooking at one, and they here find it all. Wow. That you know right now, this is in Rollington Town. It's a vibe. RFC boss. If you don't check out that video yet, just go check it out. It's a whole vibe. Right here, Rollington Town, Giltress Street, Kingston. We have one more piece of cow foot left. And we have rice there. And chicken left. So we're gonna deal with all of this right now, people. Here you go.